What's causing all this all day play today? I think we got to start with bubble craps again. I don't know that we'll devote the whole video to it, but it's got to play it again. We'll see what happens. Build that money up. Let's see what we can do. Hit the music. Okay, let's get started. There's been a lot of sevens coming through on the come, so hopefully we stall a bit.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
I'm gonna try to take this up to
no more bets.
5 if I can. 500. All right, 3. Well, we just lost that. I haven't even been to the ATM yet. I just took the cash. Just took the cash I had in my pocket, which is like 85 buckaroos. So I'll probably be going to the ATM pretty quickly here. All right, we're setting our pass line to get our point. That's how we're going to start this.
No more bets. Good luck.
9 is our point. We'll set the point.
9. Light it up. Center field 9.
All right. Max the odds. So we're going to place those.
Money on the odds. It pays
5, 5.
for your 9.
By 10. Can't place anything on 4 because it's a $10 minimum per spot, which is crazy. But that's where we're at.
Good luck.
All right. Aces.
2 crops. Take the comp.
Doesn't hurt us, doesn't help us.
Double in the field.
Just roll again.
Last call. Place
roll
your
again.
Bets, please.
Let's go.
No more
there
bets.
We go.
Good luck.
Come on now. Again, look at that.
Place your bets.
Sorry, my phone rang and got cut off. All right. Got aces back to back. So we were playing crapless. That would be great. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, I'm not betting the hard ways. All right. Well, at least now we can bet 4.
Please place your bets.
We place that. Let's do the
Field
hard
bet,
ways
anybody?
now. Yeah. Let's go there. All right, we're good.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
Okay. Now we got the hards
No
going.
more bets. Good luck.
Come on. Ooh, 8.
8. Down behind.
8 is good.
No
That was
field
scary.
8.
That was a scary one. All
Please
right.
place your bets.
So let's just
Put some
there.
money on the odds.
4 on
It pays
8.
blackjack 3 to
1
2
6.
for your 9.
All right. Let's go 106 out on the field.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
We have this one has a universal bubble, so
No
it's for
more
everybody
bets.
to use.
Good luck.
So sometimes you just have to wait. 5 is good.
5 down behind. No field.
Good, all
Don't
right.
move to the 5.
So
Please
buy
place your
that.
bets.
Take that to 20. We'll put
The field is
more
alive after 9. Field
on
bet
the
anybody?
hearts there. Let's go.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
Let's go. Let's run this up now. Let's get a good
no
run
more
going.
Bets. Good luck.
Looking for a 9. 11.
Yo, 11.
I've been watching Greg's
Good
channel. Said 11 brings 9.
It's time.
So
Last call. Place your bets, please.
let's see if that's what we get here.
No more bets. Good luck.
Come on, 9. 4. 4's good. 4's
4
good.
easy. Down behind. Don't come trapped with a 4.
All right, so
It's time to place your bets.
take that to 20. Back to the
The
hearts.
field is alive after 9.
Here we go.
Field bet
20
anybody?
left. Let's put on
Last call.
10 and
Place
8.
your bets, please.
Let's go.
No more bets. Good
Let's go.
luck.
Aces again. Should I be betting the horn? Damn.
2 craps aces. Come away. Pay the dump. Double the field. It's last call. Place your
All
bets, please.
If we're playing crapless, we'd be killing it.
No more bets. Good luck.
Ooh, hard 8. Just up to 8 too.
8 hard.
Got the hards. Look at that.
No field.
Good.
Place your bets.
All right, so we'll take everything
The field is alive
there.
after 9. Field bet
Let's
anybody?
go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's take everything.
Last call.
Oh.
Place your bets, please.
Oh, what's
No
that?
more bets.
Oh, I didn't mean
Good
to do the
luck.
come. 11. Okay, that's good.
Yo, 11. Take
Oh,
the down.
so I bet the come.
Put in the field and come.
All right.
Place last
All
call.
right.
Place your bets, please.
Let's up that bit. Okay.
No more bets.
Come on.
Good luck.
You're on time limit, so you're very limited. 5?
5 down behind.
That's
No
good.
field.
Wow. Okay.
Don't come. Move to the 5.
Let's do
Place your
5.
bets.
Everything by 10.
The field is
Way on the
alive
5.
after 9. Field bet anybody?
There. 4 to
Last
42.
call.
Let's
Place your
go.
bets, please.
Come on.
No more bets.
Come on.
Good luck.
Let's get a hard. 9 got the point. Got the point.
9 winner. Front line winner. Take the
Got the
dump.
point.
Pay the line. Please place your
Okay.
bets.
Now we're gonna
Lucky shooters open on the
do the
comeout.
pass line again. Let's look for the points. See where we're at.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
All these bets are off now, so they're
No more
safe.
bets. Good luck.
See what happens. So 6 is our point.
6, easy 6.
Point was
No
at
field. Down
9.
behind.
Max our
46.
odds.
Please
Yeah,
place your
okay.
bets.
So let's do everything by 5.
Don't forget your odds.
Go
It pays 6 to
7.
5 for the money.
Another
Last
5
call.
on 8.
Place your bets, please.
This might be my last roll.
No
Might
more
pull it
bets.
back after this.
Good luck.
Come on. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
7 out.
I knew
out
it.
7. Flying away.
All right, I'm gonna go to the ATM.
And
I'll be right back.
The last cop, the don't, and the last cop, pay
All right,
behind.
7 just hit
Get
again,
your
so we're gonna
bets
start over.
Coming out
Gotta. Oh,
Place your
wait a minute.
bets.
We're at 10. 10 on the
Last
pass
call.
line.
Place your bets, please.
Got 100 in it. We're gonna try to run this up to 500.
No more bets.
500
Good
or
luck.
bust. 10.
10
10
hard.
is the
Mark
point.
it up.
And that's
Down
our
behind.
odds.
Single
All
the field.
right, place.
Please place your
All right.
bets.
Do that one.
Hard 10
Okay,
is
good.
open.
Oh, never mind.
Let's see some hard 10 money.
So let's just do that.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
Okay. Let's
No
go.
more bets. Good luck.
10, got the point. Look at that.
10 easy winner.
Got the
Front
point.
line winner. Take the don't. Pay the line.
So let's do the
Please
horn.
place your bets.
Let's do that.
Come out roll. The less you bet, the more you lose when you don't win. Let's shoot the dice. Last call. Place your bets, please.
Got the horn bet going.
No
7.
more bets. Good luck.
Now we want to say. If you're going to come now. Okay. So 8 is the point.
8 easy. Easy 8.
Let's
No
move it
field.
to 10.
Down behind.
Max the
Please
odds.
place your bets.
Where we at? Let's go. 10, 10.
Hard 8 is open.
5,
Better
5,
back 9 to 1.
5.
Who wants a hard 8?
Let's go. The hards go in.
Last
Another
call.
5 on
Place
6.
your bets, please.
Here we go.
No more bets. Good luck.
All right, come on. 6. Look at that. Bumped it up to 6.
Down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6.
Okay. All right.
It's
Set
time
that.
to place your bets.
Let's go.
8 easy
Make
is
that-
good.
let's make everything
hard 8
green.
is better. Don't forget your hard 8.
Let's chomp those up. Got 4 left. Let's
Last call.
put it on
Place your
9.
bets, please.
Put it on 9.
No more bets. Good luck.
Come on. 9. There we go.
9. Down behind. Don't come. Go to the 9.
Okay,
It's
so
time to
that's-
place your bets.
Yep. 30.
You
No.
can't win if you don't bet.
The
Let's
6.
see some
Let's press
hard
the
8 money.
9.
Last call.
5,
Place your bets,
10.
please.
Let's go.
No
Let's
more
go.
bets. Good luck.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's get to 5.
5 fever.
Okay.
No field. Don't come. Go to the 5.
So that was at
It's time to place
35.
your bets.
Take everything to 40. 42 there.
Hard 8
6.
is open. Better back 9 to 1. Last call. Place your bets, please.
All right. Got it loaded up here.
No
It's a
more
big one.
bets. Good
It's a
luck.
big one. There we go. 4. 4.
4. Easy 4.
All right.
Single the field. Hard 4
We're now
is
up. So
place your bets.
I think I'm only going
8
to
easy is good. Hard 8 is
keep that
better.
there.
Don't forget your hard 8.
I'm going to keep 100 in the bank there.
Last call. Place your bets,
Build it from
please.
there. Keep 100 in the bank.
No
Oh, I
more
didn't
bets.
do the hard.
Good luck.
Didn't do the hard 4. It's okay. Hard 8. Isn't that
8
great?
hard winners.
Got the
Frontline
point
winner.
too.
Take the don't, pay the
Look
line.
at that. All right. So
Place your
now
bets.
let's go on.
Lucky shooters open on the come out.
Do lucky shooter this time. Got the pass line working.
Last call. Place
Gonna set
your
our
bets,
point
please.
again. Let's go. Let's go.
No more bets. Good luck.
6.
6 easy 6.
So
No
move it
field.
to
Down the line.
8.
The point is 6.
Okay.
Place
So
your
now
bets.
gonna go there. Let's move it all
You
to
can't win if you don't bet.
5
Let's
there.
see some hard 6 money.
5, 5, 5, 5,
Last
5.
call. Place your bets, please. No more bets. Good luck.
Big roll. Big roll. All right. Aces.
Two crowns.
No hurt, no
Come
harm.
away. Pay the dump. Double the field.
Okay.
Please, last
50.
call. Place your bets, please.
Let's do 5 and 8.
No more bets.
5 and 8. Big
Good
roll.
luck.
Big roll. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got that 6. Got that 6.
6 easy winner. Frontline winner. Take the dump. Pay the line.
385. We're almost
Please
at our
place
goal
your
here.
bets.
But we got the point. So we're resetting the pass line.
Come out, roll. We're
Okay.
moving along.
Set the horns
Singing
now.
a song and let you last call. Place your bets, please.
Now we want a 7 or an 11.
No more bets.
3,
Good
12,
luck.
2, 5. All right.
5 fever. No field. Down behind.
5.
Point is 5.
Move that over.
Please place your bets.
That there. 5. 55.
Put some
55.
money on the odds. It pays
60.
blackjack 3 to 2 for your last call.
3 on
Place
6.
your bets,
Big
please.
roll. This could do it for us. This could reach our goal.
No more bets.
Come on.
Good luck.
Let's go. Heating up. Heating up. Got the 10.
10. Easy 10. Down behind.
Did we
Single the
reach our goal?
field.
We reached our goal. Okay,
It's
so
time
we're
to
going
place your
to
bets.
come back
The
down. We're at
field is alive
517.
after 5. Field bet anybody?
We're locked in.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
Oh, I'm just trying to decide what I want to do here. Let me think
No
about
more
it. Let's see
bets.
this roll.
Good luck.
Let's see this roll.
Place your bets, please.
8.
8. Down behind. No field 8.
Okay.
It's time to place your bets.
Hmm.
All the tough guys are available.
Let's
Bet
go.
up. 1 card to the player. Baker win.
Let's start there.
Place your bets. Last call. Place your bets,
Start
please.
there.
No more bets. Good luck.
Start there.
Player. 1 card to the banker. Baker
4.
win. Place your
Part
bets.
4, which I wasn't
4 hard.
betting.
Field is a
It's all right.
winner. Part 4 pays 8 for 1. It's time to place your bets. 1 card to the player.
Get me over 5 again. Then I'll
Don't
start
forget
placing
your
more.
odds on 5. Every 2, you
Start placing more. We get over the hump. We're at
Last call. Place your
487
bets,
right
please.
now.
Baker has
Let's go.
No more bets. Good luck.
Come
Place
on.
your bets.
5. Okay.
Player wins.
Got the 5.
winner.
All
Frontline winner. Take the dump. Pay the line.
right, so now we got the point.
Place your bets.
So now we got the pass line
Lucky
going.
shooters open on the come out.
Let's do this.
Place your bets.
Now we want a 7. Give it to us.
Last call. Place your
Get the
bets,
7 out of the
please.
way.
1 card to the no more bets.
Get the 7 out
Good
of the
luck
way.
time. Place your bets.
5. 5's the point again.
5 alive.
Max our
No
odds.
field. Down behind.
We're going to stay where we're at for now. Well,
Place your
no.
bets.
Set the
Place your
hearts
bets.
at least. Take it to 460.
Put some money
460
on
is
the
good.
odds. It pays
go.
blackjack 3 to 2 for
460
your
will be our mark.
Let's go. Place your bets, please.
Build off from there.
No more
Let's go.
bets. Good luck.
Let's go.
Bingo
6.
has pair. 1 card to the player. Down behind. Don't travel to the 6.
15 to play with us. So
Place your
8,
bets.
10, or 8, 9, and 10.
The field is alive
Let's go.
after 5. Field bet, anybody? Nice call. Place your bets, please. Place your bets.
Nope, I didn't set the.
No more bets.
Didn't set the hard 6. It's okay. No, knew that was coming. That's okay. All right, let's walk away from this.
7 out.
460 got a nice little
Fly
profit.
away.
Let's
Pay
go
the
play some
dough
slots.
and the last.
Oh, let me like this. Oh, there we go. Last stop cash machine. Got 100 buckaroos loaded in there. Before we get into this one, I just want to take this time to say thank you all so much. For those of you watching who have subscribed, we are growing this channel. We also have a TikTok, all day play clips on TikTok. That's doing great. So thank you all so much for the support. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free, just a little click, and it helps us out so much. Thank you. All right, we're here. Let's get into it. Whoa. There we go. Any number, just any number. 100. 100. First spin, 100. Yeah, there we go. We'll take it down to 100. Oh, do it again. Double zero. 100 again. Back to back hundreds, y'all. Get it. Look at it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, please. Now a 0. Now. Oh, hey, we'll take 50. Take 50. That's 3 wins in a row. I think, right? Like, all right, 5. Okay. Look at that. So we'll take it down to 2. Not ready to walk away yet. Take it down to 2. If this machine goes red, it's an automatic win of some kind. All right. Uh-oh. Getting cold. Hey, that's all right. We're leaving up on this one. We're leaving up on the day. There we go. Go red. Nope. Let's get it red. Any zeros here? We'll re-spin. A few more spins here. There we go. Re-spinning. Any number. Man. So close. No. Go red. No. Last spin. All right. Guys, oh man, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking. Please subscribe. Follow us on TikTok at All Day Play Clips. And until next time, with the whole casino, say it. All day late.